The number of signed contracts to purchase existing homes barely budged in March, and that was before the rise in mortgage rates. So what will the rest of the spring market look like, especially for the youngest of buyers? Diana Olick reports for us tonight.
March was the official start of spring, but home buyers didn't exactly spring into action. Pending home sales, which measure signed contracts for existing homes, were basically flat compared to February and 3% lower compared to March of last year, according to the National Association of Realtors. It was the third straight month of annual declines. The realtors continue to blame the severe shortage of homes for sale, as well as weakening affordability. Sky-high prices have more borrowers putting less down on their mortgages. After holding steady for 2 years, the share of conventional loans backed by Fannie Mae with down payments of less than 10% rose last year, and the expectation is it will move even higher this year.
I think we are beginning to see that people are struggling to come up with down payment and hence going for the minimum that is needed.
Millennials are getting hit hardest, having to stretch their budgets the most because there are so few entry-level homes for sale. Millennials were the primary drivers of homeownership last year, but fell back in the first quarter of this year.
American workers are looking for affordable homes right now wherever they can find them. It has become a real crisis.
Now they're facing higher mortgage rates as well. The weak March sales numbers came in even before rates jumped at the start of April. Kelman says maybe higher rates will cool demand and actually help.
If there were 2 buyers for every house instead of 3, it might actually be healthy for the market.
Home prices usually lag sales by a few months, but sales have weakened for a while and prices just continue to surge higher in this cycle. This supply crisis is now bordering on historic, changing the rules of how housing generally works and pushing more potential buyers out of the market altogether. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Diana Olick in Washington.